my angels, welcome back to my channel. In today's video with my sister Rachel.
Hi guys.
We check it out NCT 1-7 Super Marathon. We're doing
yes.
a lot of MVs
oh my god,
together.
yes.
For YouTube, you guys you're gonna watch 3 MVs per time, per part, because it gets blocked on YouTube if we put more of than 3.
Yeah, exactly.
So we're gonna do 3 for time, but on Patreon we complete all the MVs.
We read all you guys' comments and we choose
Ayo favorite. Gimme, Punch, Superman, Simon Says, Fire Truck.
Superhuman, honey.
Superhuman.
Yeah,
sorry.
Simon Says,
Fire Truck, Limits, and regular.
Yeah,
I guess this is it.
Because we really dive into NCT 1-7 first because you guys commented, right?
Yeah.
And it's better to do by units. So we're gonna start with 1-7, and feel free to comment below any suggestions for content about NCT 1-7 first.
So guys, be aware that we're watching all of them together
on Patreon.
Yeah. And if you guys we're posting different videos, you get really confused, but we did record on the same day of the same time.
Yeah,
so beware, because we might mistake the members and not recognize a lot of them when you guys comment, because
we're still learning about them. Yeah,
but when you guys comment, we already watch it everything,
because now we know Taeyang, Mark, Yuta, and who's the other one?
We know a lot of them.
I remember now. I forgot. I know, I think 4 members I already know. But I don't know if this NCT 1-7. I'm not sure now. But yeah, we're still learning. So feel free to comment down below, suggestions for first NCT 1-7, right?
Yeah, we're very excited to watch it. You guys can check it out on Patreon. We have a lot of content of NCT there. We do NCT World and also a lot of NCT performance.
Entopia now. With Superhuman.
Yeah, but it's from Superhuman.
Yeah.
But thank you so much. Now let's go to the video.
Let's go. Okay.
Getting lifted.
Whoa.
Fire truck. 어디 bound Mr. Firm on the floor. 불지펴봐 열기를 식혀줄게. 가만히 가득 잠궈도 화끈하게. 저 siren 소리에 느끼는 내 기분은 말썽 빼는 조금 곤란해. 미치겠나 보이게.
Oh my god, they look so young.
And what's going on in this MV?
Hands up if you're feeling the vibe now. One step, 2 steps. 오늘 밤 너와 나 모두 다 빠져들지. 언제든 달려가.
Wow, they visual so different from the other ones. They look young also.
리듬 느끼는 대로 흔들어. 뜨거워지는 순간 그게 소리쳐. Fire truck.
Whoa! What is going on?
Yeah, beating it everywhere. 부르기만 하면 돼. Look it out. 그냥 불전화 같아. Blink 나만 나타나. Just blink for me. 시원하게 네 화를 불어줄 테니 just hold up. 작품을 밀면 다치게 higher. 열기 마치 로켓처럼 뜨거워. 이거 가는 폭발하기 10초 전.
Oh my god, I'm so confused.
I don't know the meaning of this MV.
Hands up if you're feeling the vibe now.
I love this song.
Yeah.
2 steps.
It's really catchy. I like that part. And the visual is a little shock because it's different.
리듬에 맞춰 흔들어 전율 느끼는 순간 크게 소리쳐. Fire truck.
What? Did you saw that?
No, what? I was too shocked with the
they
what
lift
the hell? What the hell?
Oh my god.
Fire truck.
That the song
Fire truck.
멈추지 마 밤이 새도록
Next moment, turn it up.
What's happening?
Oh my god!
Let's go!
Wow! But the song and the dance is really catchy. Okay, that was pretty dope in my opinion.
I really love the
Just
song.
because I don't understand like the story they want to tell us in this MV. Like in the beginning they're like with a little girl, I think, yeah. And I'm just still trying to like figure out what's going on here.
I think it was a little weird, the MV. It was not what I'm used to it.
Yeah, it's very different from what we saw from them. And also, they look young here.
Yeah, they look
They
very
say
young.
in the beginning, the year. Oh
2016, I think.
16?
Yeah. I think it's 16.
It's 16 because it's a little gray. It's hard to see. But yeah, they look young. Wait, when they debuted? We don't know, right?
I forgot. I think everyone saw like say in the comments.
Probably comment, yeah. But like they look very, very young. You know, different. Also the style and everything.
Yeah,
but it's
the
still
styles are
but it's
different.
still the song is really a bop. It's such a hit. Like I really enjoy the song. But the movie confused me a little.
Yeah, I really love the song.
Yeah.
I love and enjoy the song. It's such a bop, and the way they say fire truck is so addicting.
Yeah.
But the MV is very confusing. I don't know if it's because we didn't understand the storyline. Maybe when they explain, we go like, "Oh, this is blowing my mind."
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, probably it's gonna be like that. But I really enjoy it. They look so young here.
Yeah, I thought the same.
And how many members they have here? I feel like there's so little. Look, in the beginning, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7.
My god, only 7. I didn't notice.
And that is because
who is missing? Oh yeah, you're right. It's not 9 members here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Right, because
can you guys please explain to us
that
what happened?
So great.
Yeah.
Yeah. We love it, and we're very excited to watch the next one. So let's go.
Okay, 2017, this one. Wait, we also have only 8 members. Is that right?
Oh yeah.
So we are missing someone.
어젯밤 내 세계를 뒤흔들었던 꿈이 악몽인지 혹은 나 지금 속인지
Actually, it's 9.
날 익은 빛을 따라가 꿈속
Oh my god, it's here! Is that Mark? Oh my god, what happened to him? Who do that with his hair?
Oh my god. Fire. I love his hair.
But the poor Mark! Oh my god, what happened?
It looks like
not say anything, sorry guys.
Sorry.
Just because.
Oh my god.
Okay.
The song's really good. His voice
He's so
is
cool.
so good.
Yeah, I love him.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that.
Let's go. Oh, that part was so good.
They amazing. Like seriously, NCT has this great vocalist. Oh my god. Yo, that guy in the center is so cool.
Yeah.
Max here, sorry. He's too much.
What's this one?
I don't know now. The guy that I say
the
in
one
the
with the
center.
Rangers
Yeah, he's really
t-shirt.
cool.
Damn, he's so hot.
Yeah, and he's super tall.
I
So.
feel like I've seen him before, but I'm not sure when, at what point.
They look young here too.
Yeah.
I love them, man. Wait, who's that one?
하나는 둘이 되고 때론 백이 돼 굳어버린 세상 구현하기에 무거워진 세상을 다 바꿔 자유로운 우리를 봐 자유로운 그 안에 오직 너만 open 내 마음을 가져가는 자 그게 너인데 공감이 난 필요해 미치도록 원해 네가 필요해 서로를 온전히 느낄 수 있게 해줄 그게 필요해
Wow. I don't recognize some faces.
What?
I don't recognize some faces like that
Yeah.
guy. I don't remember him, and also this one.
We have 9 here. It means it's the complete.
Yeah,
group,
maybe
right?
they're different because this is like 2017,
Yeah.
right?
I love the smoke behind it. I love the part so much. Hey. Wow.
Wow.
The vocal line? Holy yeah.
I like that.
Let's go!
I like that.
Ooh. Damn.
What?
Oh.
Wow. That really impressed me. They done so well.
Yeah.
Like seriously, what a great
I love
MV.
how like the smoke effect like behind them while they're doing the choreography, and also like those outfits are fire.
Also, we have 9 members, are you sure?
Yeah, I think it's 9 members. Yeah,
Oh, it's oh.
I counted 9. There was one behind
Oh, it was one behind.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I thought it was 8. But like 2 members I didn't recognize. I think was the blonde one.
there. Yeah,
I don't know.
It was really the
Yeah,
highlight of the day.
it impressed me, shocked me.
Is it called candy floss in English? Candy floss. No, it's
I don't know.
how it's called again.
I don't know.
It's
Let's
pink.
not
And
comment.
It's so great.
It's like cute for,
It is cute because his face is such a baby face.
but it's
It
like
looks so
don't
much like a
match
baby.
with the concept from the MV. I think so. But yeah, it was such a great
Yeah.
song. I feel like they really talent because like
Yeah.
since the MVs that we
Yeah.
watch, they always impress me. They always the coolest.
I don't sing Korean, so I'm sorry for this, but that part.
I'm trying to figure out what you're doing.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. But like the highlight part, before the highlight actually,
Okay.
like the vocals are so great. I love that
Okay.
so much. You guys can guess what I'm song like speaking right now, but it was so great. I love the like there was more part like of choreography in this
Yeah.
MV, right?
But I think It's a performance version. We did that wrong, I think, now, because they sang MV to performance version.
What? I'm so confused. Wait, is that how like an MV? You guys can comment down below.
Yeah, we can check it out later.
I think I found only this one.
We thought it was this one.
Yeah.
But let's go for the next one.
Okay.
Wait, the vibe is already different.
I like shining, you be like, I be grinding, you waste time.
Oh my god.
Cause you know I put it down.
Oh, you know, that reminds me a little. What? Where?
That was a tiger.
But also, let me just comment first. It was so Latin vibe, right? In the beginning?
Yeah, like...
It's actually... I forgot now. That reminds me something, but it's so dope here. No.
I like shining, you be like, I be grinding, you waste time. No, you wanna roll with me, cause you know I put it.
Why you say Shakira? Like, seriously, Julie. Let's go, guys. Sorry. I like it.
Yeah.
I be grinding, you waste time. No, you wanna roll with me, cause you know.
Oh, the tiger.
I'm the one and only. No.
Yeah. Wow. Oh my god.
Oh, hey, let's go, right. Holy damn, the swag is on another level.
That's so different.
They just flashed the window.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Yo, that's it. That's crazy.
Oh,
I'm in love with the voice.
did you hear that?
Damn.
I just made a million and I'm still not satisfied.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Let's go fly.
God, they look so hot. Wow.
Holy damn.
They sing in Spanish. That's why I told you about Latin vibe, and then you come with Shakira. Are you kidding me? Oh, who's singing in Spanish?
So don't compare to me. Yeah. We are not the same, only one of me. Hey, how about the cool? The sky's the roof.
Oh my god.
Whole team ball.
Love the man. I love him.
We do.
Looking like a fashion show.
Yo!
Like a water show.
Bust it. For real. We gon' bring up the car.
Man, that was so cool.
Crew fly, Dubai. No, it ain't two sides, too high. One way to Mars.
They were flexing everything.
And now we in a zone.
I love the part.
Stand too close, man, get your coat.
Oh, this is so handsome.
And a coat. Yeah.
Wow.
Dripping water faucet. Splash. Baby, it's my
Yeah.
light to shine. I stop on my wrist now, I can barely see the time. I just made a million.
Oh, I love this part.
I'm so in love.
Whoa! Oh! Did you jump off the building? My bank account goes, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, I love this saga.
I love the bra. Oh, they sing in Spanish. That's dope.
Like diamonds like a rainbow. Yeah. P.L.I. your eyes want jump to move your brain.
Yeah, judge by one we flag.
What?
Let's dance. This is the real, this is the regular move. Body up and put about, let's get.
Yo!
Oh my god.
Run it up.
No competition in front of us. We got the way, we getting paid. Baby, it's my diamonds.
Ooh, maybe as my dad.
Oh, I love that song. Whoa! I love the Spanish. I love the Latin vibe. I love that song. I love NCT 127. Seriously.
That was the coolest NCT song of all the time.
Oh my god.
They really flex everything. They say,
so hard.
I just made 1 million and I'm still not satisfied, baby. Gonna get satisfied with 1 billion.
That was sick. And also like diving into NCT, and we're starting with NCT 127. It's such a crazy and wonderful word.
Yeah.
Because they so freaking talented. They're genius when it's about song and when it's about like choreography, and like they're the coolest. Like I know we say a lot about that, but they are. That
one
was
of my
unique.
favorite MVs. I feel like reflects so much in the song.
I love that. I love that.
I have to say, like, it's like I'm gonna take a guess right now. Tiger like means fortune or something, because they do like a lot of tiger reference with the neon and also like the tiger going
maybe
on a walk
something
with Mark.
in like Korean culture. Maybe it's about money. Tiger. Yeah, it can be, right?
Yeah, I think it was associated with that.
Yeah, but like this beginning with NCT, because we're watching the MVs first, such a great begin, and I'm excited to dive into that and watch more content.
Yeah, that was so great, guys. Thank you so much. I'm really sorry for the Shakira accident. Like, it was the only thing that I could think about at the time.
The team.
Yeah.
Because she's amazing also.
Yeah, our queen, but...
yeah.
But thank you so much.
Thank you.
That was so great.
Yeah.
See you guys next video. Bye!